a number of things went wrong for in that. It did. Yeah. Really struggled.
The team behind the study want more schools to give it a go. Today they've launched a handbook for teachers.
It's not really what I had in my head when I started this, but hopefully it's okay.
Perfect, really.
It's perfect.
Yeah, I mean, this is exactly what I would like as a home.
So,
Not what we were looking for as a holiday home, but it's a perfect home.